around. I want you around, around.
Guys, welcome back. Today I'm here with OMGHerHair. This is the packaging. It's very sleek and nice. It's just a matte gray box, and then I have a drawstring bag branded OMGHerHair, which I'm gonna get into. I got this little bag of scrunchies, which I really appreciate, always losing those, so that's really nice. I also got a adjustable elastic band, a headband, a branded rat tail comb, a pair of HD wig caps, and lastly a really cute thank you card. It's really nice, love that, and that's everything. Alright, so for today's wig, this is a really nice curly natural color lace front that we're working with. It's a 13 by 6 in the mid portion for the most part, and on the sides it's like a 13 by 2. But you know, you can get a nice deep side part out of this or center parts, and it's already pre-bleached and tinted, so that's really nice. Inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And this is also a curly edge lace front. It's so nice. It's already pre-plucked. It's looking so realistic. Love that. And it feels so soft. This is actually 150% in density, and it's a loose curly actually. That's what they classify it as. And it's 20 inches long. Alright, and yeah. So you guys know the drill. I'm gonna be dropping those specifications again down in my description box, so you guys can be sure of that, and I'll put the direct link if you're interested in this wig. Now that I show you, let me go ahead and do a quick installation with this. I'm actually going to use my ebony lace band spray, so let's go.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up.
Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is take my ebony spray, as I said before, and my blow dryer on cool air to lay this. What I'll do is to just make the edge not look so uniform. After I'm done, I'll kind of comb them out and see how it looks. But you're gonna have a really nice fluffed curly edge vibe. I'll use a little bit of a little product to get it a little bit less more defined after combing them out, if you get what I'm trying to say. But I just don't want it to be as uniformed. So and I'm gonna just speed through this section.
We can get away, palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away, really, really wanna. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
What I'm gonna do is get a little bit of gel, so as I'm pulling back some of the edges, I can define what I want to stay laid. So just take your time and play around with it and see how you want it to fall. What I'm gonna do is just, you know, spray the hair with some water. This is how we're looking. Looks really good. Very minimal shedding. The only parts that I'm really getting shedding from right now is where I cut away the excess from the ear portion. So that's literally all the shedding I am getting. It's good. It's really soft. I'm just going to spray it with water though. I'm not gonna go crazy with any products. It's a nice deep parting. Looks really good. So yeah, you could decide if you want to go ahead and wear it as is, or you want to define the curls. And I'm just using water, so it will get back the volume after a while, like real easily. So I'm just gonna that's pretty much it. It looks really good, guys. Like, look at that. It's really natural looking with the, like, the edges definitely match the rest of the wig. You know, like sometimes they have the curly edge, and I understand you guys have mentioned before, like you don't think the edges necessarily match the rest of the wig, but with this, yeah, it's the same kind of vibe, and I really like that. This hair is very soft, very, very soft. So yeah, as I said, OMGHerHair did their thing with this wig. It looks really realistic. The curls are really juicy and luscious, not like super tight. It's a really nice loose curly vibe. So that's pretty. Let me know what you guys think. It's very realistic. As I said before in the initial part of the video, you guys can go ahead and check out my description box to get the direct link to this wig if you're interested in getting it. Perfect for summertime, perfect for vacation, because you know, whenever you're wearing a curly wig or curly texture, it's just easier to manage rather than, you know, having to recurl or straighten constantly. So I feel like it's perfect vacay texture. So yeah, any deals or anything going on at the moment, if there's any, it will also be listed. Shout out to OMGHerHair once more. That's it for today's wig look, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.